Hi you guys, I'm Vianca and I'm from the Roosevelt Community Center. Today I'm back with another easy, simple recipe for you guys. So we're going to be making some plant-based protein smoothies. These smoothies are high in antioxidants, high in fiber, high in healthy fats, and they're also a really good source of protein. So let's get started. First ingredient that we're going to be using today are frozen blueberries. So blueberries are high in antioxidants. So we're going to be putting 1 cup of blueberries inside our blender. So I have a half a cup, so I'm going to be doing 2 scoops of blueberries. Okay, so 1 cup of blueberries. We're going to be using organic raw pumpkin seeds. Just this small amount, this 1/4 a cup of raw pumpkin seeds has 15 grams of plant-based protein. We're also going to be using Medjool Dates. So we're going to be using 2 of these dates. You can use 2 or 3. They give a caramelized flavor, so it adds a lot of sweetness to the smoothie. Make sure that you remove the pit before you put it in the blender. I'm actually going to use 3 for this smoothie instead of 2. Okay, so now that we have our dates inside the blender, we're going to add our bananas. So normally I like to use 1 medium-sized banana, but these are pretty little. So I'm gonna use this whole small banana and then about half of this small banana. Okay. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of spinach. It's good to get our greens whenever we can. So I'm just gonna do like a nice handful of spinach. We're going to use 1.5 cups of our plant-based almond cashew milk. This milk actually has 10 grams of protein per serving, so that's why I like to use it. But I also use flax milk, which is also a really good source of plant-based protein. You can use that as well. So I'm gonna use 1.5, so I'm gonna do this 3 times. So now we're going to be adding almond butter into our blender. So I'm going to use a serving of this, which is going to be 2 tablespoons. Now, I'm not too strict with how my tablespoons look. I just kind of plop it in there. We're going to add some ice. And then we are going to blend. Now, you can kind of just add as much ice as you want. I like my smoothies more of a thicker consistency, so I'm gonna put quite a bit of ice. Okay, and now we are going to blend. So this is the smoothie. It's high in antioxidants, it's high in healthy fats and fiber, and it's also a really good source of protein. So this smoothie actually has about 37 to 40 grams of protein per serving. So just as a recap, guys, the ingredients that I used today was 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1.5 cups of this almond cashew milk, 2 tablespoons of this almond butter, a 1/4 cup of organic raw pumpkin seeds, 3 Medjool dates, 1 cup of spinach, 2 bananas, and a cup of ice. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. We hope you get the chance to try out this plant-based protein smoothie. Let us know how it goes on our Facebook page. Also, feel free to check out our upcoming videos that we're going to be uploading to our virtual recreation center. We'll have all the links down below. Take care.